after the tragic death of Cyrus Mystery, Mumbai Police had announced that now from November 1, seat belts for the rear passengers will also be compulsory. Now starting today, the Mumbai Police has started its awareness campaign, and the police said that until 11th November there will be no fine. However, they will till November 11th they will try to spread awareness amongst passengers. They are stopping the cars on various junctions across Mumbai, and right now I am at Bandra Junction, and here the Mumbai Police has been stopping the vehicles of passengers where they see that there are passengers who are not wearing seat belts, and they are spreading the awareness about the seat belt.
त्या ठिकाणी जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात सीटबेल्ट वापरून मुंबई वाहतूक शाखेसाठी सहकार्य करावे. त्याचप्रमाणे अपघाताचे प्रमाण कमी होण्यासाठी या कॅम्पसचे आयोजन करण्यात आलेले आहे.
We see that starting 11th November there will be fine for those who do not wear seat belts sitting at the back of the car. As far as the taxis and the public transport like app-based cab are concerned, the Mumbai Police has said that for those passengers who are sitting at the back in an Uber or an Ola or such an app-based cab, it will be passengers' responsibility and they will be fined if at all they are not wearing the seat belt. But they have asked all the taxis and the app-based cab to get their seat belts installed if they do not have, because it is compulsory now going forward in Mumbai for rear passengers as well to wear a seat belt. ये कैंपेन के बारे में आपको पहले से पता था?
नहीं.
तो अभी जब बताया गया है तो क्या कहेंगे आप?
नहीं, ये अच्छा किया है, इसका बैक पीछे का भी सीट बेल्ट के लिए, लेकिन मतलब अभी पीछे जो बैठते हैं हर गाड़ी के लिए मतलब उतना ये नहीं रहता, क्योंकि वो जो सीट कवर वगैरह डालते हैं तो फिर वो बेल्ट का जो हुक रहता है वो नीचे चले जाए, तो फिर मतलब करेंगे अभी वापस.
थोड़ा दिक्कत है लेकिन सेफ्टी के लिए
करना.
And what do you have to say about the campaign?
Campaign is good for the highway, not in the city.
Why do you say so?
Because in the city we can't drive above 30, 40. So on the highways it is required, because you drive above 60, somewhere it is limit of 100, so it is fine in the highway, but not in the city.
I see you wearing the seat belt. You already were aware of this?
Yeah, we regularly use seatbelts while traveling.
Even when the campaign was not there, you used to use it. Why do you think so? It's compulsory for the rear passengers?
I think it's because the protection is safe while driving, and it's not only for the people who are sitting in the front but also the passengers.
Right. Thank you so much. आपको इस कैंपेन के बारे में पता है? सीट बेल्ट आज से कंपल्सरी है, पता है आपको? What do you have to say about it?
It's good, it's for our own safety, and all this while we were never taking it seriously. But after the accident which happened, we are now more concerned about our safety. So it's a good effort by the police, and safety is for our own good.
And you already have the passengers wearing seat belts. How much of this will be implemented and whether it will be implemented properly or not, only time will tell. But as of now, the Mumbai Police has already started its awareness campaign around the seat belts. In Mumbai, this is Violators for ThePrint.